The shoes. You can see you need a haircut now because you're already
How many pumpkins will we get?
How many can you carry?
A lot.
Pumpkins.
I could carry.
Come on, let's go, let's go.
Let's go. That means we're either getting climbing.
You want to ride with the teacup? That's really
Right, is that done yet? Right, bring it out then. Can somebody else can get in? I'll do that.
Is it free? Huh? Is it ano ko? Okay, get. Is that the color you want? Okay.
I got green. And it's so big.
Look, oh, the color like our car.
Ooh.
Are you okay, car? Can you manage?
Wish I could.
Doon na sila mga friendship.
Just need one more to wave now. No pressure.
What happened, Kai, to your wheelbarrow? Why are you not pushing your wheelbarrow? Yeah, I will let you weld that until there. But go find a perfectly shaped, you know, white and orange. We're not go. We will pay for that. No, they're going to weigh it, and we cannot even eat it. But the big ones are not for eating.
Maybe for this?
We will pay for it. Oh. Do you want to sacrifice? Okay, keep pushing. Go.
Do you want the white one small?
I want the small white ones. But I want the perfectly shaped ones.
Where? Oopsies.
Can you manage? There's a collection there already.
Oh,
Don't drop my pumpkins.
your pumpkins? It's the field pumpkins.
Did you hurt your fingers?
I have.
Kat?
It was painful yesterday.
I have.
Yeah, because stop, you know, just
The
touching
prickly
random,
one. The prickly one hurts. It splintered me a bit.
random stuff. We just need something for decoration, not for carving. So we need a little one. I think we should.
This is how it feels like to be on a farm.
Yeah.
Old Makashi had a farm. Yeah, yeah.
So do you want to
All
be
he
a
had was
farmer?
pumpkins.
Do you want to be a farmer now?
No.
Why? It's hard labor.
This is.
I think the orange is over there. It's slippery mga friendships. I'm wearing Ugg boots, so it has no grip. Nag-slide ako, but that's why I cannot keep up with the boys. Fine. It's dangerous actually, mga friends. It's very slippery because it's been raining this morning. In fact, it looks like it's going to rain again. That's why the field is very muddy. Kahit ako mga friendships, so takot ako maglakad kasi baka maslide ako. We need one. It's been very fast. Even there, oh.
Why does it ground feel unsafe?
This is not a car.
Yes, it is. It's hay.
Bad for the happiness.
Bad for the
Mouth
mouth.
is the rich. This is a China phone.
Why did the witch? Because it doesn't. Why did the witch refuse to wear a flat hat?
I don't know.
Because it
why.
doesn't have a point to it.
Again.
I know kung fu.
Come on, it's good. Let's take a picture.
That's it.
Go wipe your shoes first. Wipe your shoes. Oh, friendships, I'm wearing the wrong footwear here.
She's gonna
Um,
slip.
Wearing my Uggs and it's really slippery.
Because those are made for winter.
I slipped many times. Friendships, newspaper kasi. Maputik yung shoes. That's it mga friendships. So that's our Sunday afternoon. We went to Mr. Pumpkin farm to pick up our pumpkins for the Halloween. That's Cat Cave. And it was raining hard this morning and the night, and that's why the field was really very muddy. It's a good thing that when we went there around 2 o'clock this afternoon, it was already sunny, and even now it seems that it's still sunny. It's a bit cloudy, but we saw the sun. So there you go, mga friendships. We're all set for the Halloween. Happy Halloween! That's Cash is wearing a Halloween shirt.
Am I?
Yes.
The dinosaur.
So there you go, mga friendships. Bye! So now, mga friendships, we're now at home. I have washed the pumpkins, so they are wet a little bit. I'm going to wipe them and then I can put them there in the basket. Okay, mga friendships, so these are our selections. That's it. It's heavy, man. It's not heavy. Here we are, mga friendships. We have to cook this pumpkins because they're a bit expensive. So kung hindi lulutuin, sayang naman, di ba? So yes, mga friendships, kailangan talaga nitong maluto. Yeah, we actually selected, different colors. Itong stripes na orange and yellow. Itong green at saka white. Itong white. Dalawang whites actually, because I like the shape of this one. So yan, mga friendships. At saka syempre itong pinakamalaki, the biggest one. Diba? Yun lang, mga friendships. Happy Halloween!